Hello guys, my name is Pavlo Rozenberg. I am from Lausanne, from Switzerland. Today I'm going to present you a calorie tracker project for the CS50 cars realized in Python. So the project consists of calculating calories based on daily activity and based on calorie intake for the person, and we can verify due to the mathematical calculation and based on the BMR, basal metabolic rate, the estimation of the weight over a certain period of time. So let's dive into the project. So the user is prompted by name. Let's say it's going to be Peter, male or female, because it can be different for the metabolic outcome. Age, say Peter is 40. Let's say Peter is 170 centimeters. Weight, 72 kilos. So activity level. So here we are talking about a daily activity. And I would suggest we take a lightly active, like 1 or 3 times, like 1 or 3 days a week exercises, light. Now we're asked for the breakfast calories. Let's say Peter is having breakfast with 500 calories, for lunch 800, and for dinner, let's say 900 calories. Snacks of the day, let's say it's going to be 250 calories. And the period we would like to take in consideration is going to be 1 year. So evolution of 52 weeks, during the 52 weeks. Let's say Peter is someone who is going constantly to the gym, and he's very aware what kind of calories is he spending over the time. So he's spending about, he's going 4 times a week to the gym, and he's spending 500 calories per session. So it's 2000 calories per week. So now we can investigate a couple of things. So here we go with the current weight and how the evolution is of this weight is going to take place. In this graph, we can see in a more visual aspect how the weight is going to evolve. And yeah, I let you then have a look about those numbers, and briefly that's all about the project. Thank you very much for watching, and here's very briefly the code of the whole process. Thank you.